Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. 60 word per minute English dictation. Ready, start. And benefit of seniority and pay to those appointed against the reserved vacancies full stop. The rules of 1965 remain in force regarding the rest of the matters with full stop. Benefits to those who were appointed in civil service on return from military service prior to the enforcement of rules of 1968 and to those civil employees who had offered to go to the military during the emergency full stop. The government of India have now issued a circular letter for facility of central government offices, making it clear that their previous instructions for the retention of lines of civil government servants who were permitted to take up military service during the last emergency and other allied benefits such as seniority, confirmation, promotion during their absence in military service, shall apply mutatis mutandis to the released emergency commissioned officers, who were serving in the civil service under the central government and who now rejoin the army during the present emergency full stop. I am to request you to ensure proper compliance of the rules mentioned above full so that the interests of both government employees as well as of government work are properly safeguarded full stop. The receipt of this letter may kindly be acknowledged and obliged full stop.